Hey, Ugo.
Hey,
Is fulfillment by Amazon worth it?
if I was a seller, I would totally use FBA for multiple reasons. Fulfillment by Amazon, which is an optional program, is a one-stop solution for Amazon fulfillment. FBA covers picking and packing, coast-to-coast shipping in 2 days or less, and sometimes same-day shipping. Customers trust the Prime badge. I would use FBA for multi-channel fulfillment and have all of my fulfillment resources be in one location, knowing that FBA has it all covered there. You can use multi-channel fulfillment to use for Amazon or any other channel, including my direct-to-consumer website. You can use FBA export to facilitate your products overseas. You can use remote fulfillment for the North American marketplace to where your customers can have your products available in Canada and Mexico without me touching it as a seller. And then also, FBA covers customer service. Having that peace of mind, knowing that Amazon's handling returns, exchanges, or any kind of ancillary issues there, allows me as a seller to go focus on my business growth in other areas.